As you know, we do this type of event nearly every year, and it's our 10th edition, and we try to bring our customers, if possible, in new areas, at new places, nearly every year. So we work with an agency, and the agency is looking for different spots where we could go and bring our customers. And obviously, you need, there is a cahier des charges, and you need to, this cahier des charges needs to answer a few questions.
Et ça faisait quelque temps que nous cherchions en Espagne un lieu pour pouvoir accueillir nos 2000 invités.
The agencies we work with propose us different locations, and then we try to compare the pros and cons of each location, and then we choose a new location.
La première impression, c'est que vous répondez à l'ensemble de ces critères.
And this year, from all the locations which were proposed to L'Oréal, we chose PortAventura. Access is very important. Once again, when you come from very many locations, these people are coming, as you may know, from very many countries. This year we've got people coming from 40 different countries. You've got people coming with charter flights, we have a big Russian delegation, so we can hire charter flights, okay? Some other people come with normal flights. Here it was okay because you've got two airports. One is Barcelona, which is a big international airport. So there is no problem of coming here because you've got easy links, from all countries and all major cities in the world to Barcelona. And this is clearly one of the important factors too.
Vous avez pour nous des gros porteurs en lit, et donc à partir de là, il était très facile de loger ces 2000 personnes que nous avons, donc sur 3 établissements de chez vous, ce qui est très facile, et aucun problème de connexion entre les différents établissements et le centre de congrès.
I can say that, for the number of people, the catering is very good. The service is excellent, let's make things simple, I'm not a man who is going to go around, and say average things. I think the service is excellent, to be honest. Different things. First, the facilities are good, okay? It's very well kept. The gardens are perfect, maybe we are very lucky. But at least you can see what we experienced until now is perfection in the gardens. On top of this, it's well done and beautiful.
Et bien sûr, alors la cerise sur le gâteau, c'est votre centre de congrès, qui est quand même, on tourne beaucoup de par le monde, on connaît beaucoup de centres, ça fait partie des centres les plus efficaces qu'on ait connus jusqu'à présent pour le type de congrès qu'on a. Avec des espaces très bien aménagés, une hauteur sur plafond extraordinaire, parce qu'avoir une grande salle de quelques milliers de mètres carrés, mais se retrouver à 5 ou 6 mètres de hauteur de plafond, on a l'impression d'être dans un couloir. Là, on a vraiment la hauteur qui permet de respirer et d'organiser des shows, d'organiser différentes manifestations comme ça.
Now the convention center is also very important, because since we're a business of beauty, we've got a lot of shows, a lot of camera. And this business center must have some characteristics. For example, one is, obviously the capacity, and also the ceiling height, the height of the ceiling, otherwise you cannot just, make shows, etc., etc. Yesterday we had a lake party, what we call the lake party in your facilities, and this is very important. For example, you have all this water, water, I don't know how you say this, this water play, and so this exists in the park, and so you can create, each time you come, something different based on the existing facilities. So you still have the surprise, you have the novelty each time, and at the same time you have the possibility of bringing some creativity to make things new. something which is maybe even more important. People are very, very smiling. All the staff is really smiling, ready to help, you know, reactive. You see that you have a lot of professional behind that, you know. I'm sure there is a lot of training of the staff, you know, so people know what they have to do. And on top of this, once again, the reactivity is there and the smile is there. And I think it's very, very important, you know, when you have this type of congress and people can react because you have always some problems, okay? And I must say, until now, you just told me, yeah, we're not finished. Huh? But so far, so good, or so very good. So, you know, I would certainly recommend this to other companies, or etc. Honestly, it's very professional.
Je pense que c'est une éventualité que dans quelque temps, on puisse revenir ici à PortAventura. On ne l'a jamais fait jusqu'à présent sur les différents sites, mais PortAventura fait partie des rares sites où on a envie de revenir, où on aura envie de venir, et je pense qu'on reviendra.